This onboard system is designed for use with any high-pressure air horn that requires an onboard air system. Comes with a 1-gallon air tank, a 150 PSI heavy-duty compressor, pressure gauge, pressure switch, fuse, hose, fittings and mounting hardware. Because the compressor is integrated with the tank, the air connection and electrical wiring to the pressure switch is already done, making installation easier and faster. It has the dependable quality you expect from Vixen Horns. Ideal for all vehicles with a 12-volt system.